Let's cook. Let's make hot dogs and beans. The hero ingredient is baked beans. These are plain, but other varieties of canned beans can provide different taste experiences. And since normally hot dogs need to be kept in a fridge, let's use canned Vienna sausages. The more elegant name, of course, for hot dogs. To me, the taste of the canned version is a bit less crunchy, but still salty and meaty. Some olive oil and green onions. Let's start by chopping the green onions. The green onions will be added last as garnish so we do not lose their taste in the bean sauce. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. The cans of sausages are small, so we'll use one whole can for a whole can of beans. Nothing wasted. Let's cut them into bite-sized pieces. We'll fry them a bit to restore some crunch with a little bit of olive oil. Fry and stir until brown and crispy. Let's add the beans and heat on low heat so as not to burn the sauce. Heat well. Serve. Now, garnish with green onions to taste. Enjoy on the boat or off.